Welcome to the post-game press conference. We are joined by the best player of the game, Junmar Fajardo, and winning head coach Leo Austria. Hi, Coach Leo, once again. Back-to-back wins on your games back. Congratulations. Ano po yung assessment nyo on your import? And, of course, paano na iba yung rotation ninyo having a new import and U.S. head coach?
I think dapat alamin natin na yung import kaunting panahon lang ang ginugol niya sa ensayo namin. And then he's trying to adapt the system that we have in the Philippines. And slowly, nakikita niya na this is our game plan. And then I'm so happy with him dahil makikita mo naman nandun yung ini-expect namin niya, yung pagka-hard worker. And then ang dami niya napulot na bola doon, especially yung mga putback. And that's one thing na kailangan namin masustain dahil in the previous tournament, so we didn't have a player like him. And if you notice, second chance points namin, mas mataas sa kanila. But I'm not yet too happy, because yung turnover namin mataas And then a little bit of a scrappy in the first quarter. But kahit paano sama ng laro, kung panalo ka, kahit 1 point yan, a win is a win. And what more if it is more than 10 points.
Thanks, Coach. Junmar, kamusta? Kanina nag-usap tayo. You're feeling under the weather at may sakit ka. But getting best player today, tapos double-double pa and multiple assists, sa mga araw na ganito, paano mo pinupush yung sarili mo?
Thankful ako lang, Coach. Una-una pala, nagpapasalamat kami kagad na walang na-injury sa game na to. Kailangan i-push yung sarili. Kailangan dig deep. Kasi gusto rin namin manalo kasi pag natalo kami, mahirap na. So, ayun, collective efforts yan ng team, sa coaching staff, and then sa mga players. So, kaya nakuha namin yung panalo. So,